Hare Krishna. Shri Raghunandan Thakur, Shri Mukunda Das, Madhav Das, and Shri Narahari Sorkar Thakur were three brothers who lived in the village of Shri Khanda. Raghunandan was the son of Shri Mukunda Das. In the house of Shri Mukunda Das, who lives at Shri Khanda, Lord Shri Gopinath is served with great devotion. One day, Mukunda was called out to do some work, and then he instructed his son Raghunandan to worship the deity and asked him to serve the Lord Gopinath that day. He explained to him that this deity is our family for many generations, and thus he has been worshipped by my father and his father and his father, on and on in this way for many years. Just as your mother feeds you and I every day, so also he has to be fed every day. Having explained to Raghunandan that this is a very great responsibility and he should be very careful to give his full attention to this service, Mukunda went out. Raghunandan, meanwhile, having been instructed by his father, collected the items for offering to Shri Gopinathji and entered into the deity room. Raghunandan was at that time barely 5 years old, and therefore, when he saw that Gopinath hadn't eaten the offering after he had imitated how his father offered the bhoga, he became very worried. Ultimately, he simply requested Gopinath with tears in his eyes, "Please eat, eat." Gopinath became completely subjected by Raghunandan's simple request, which was made entirely in love, and thus he stealthily ate up everything without leaving any remnants. After some time, Raghunandan's father, Mukunda, returned and asked his son if he had done as he was told. When his son replied yes, then Mukunda asked him to bring some of the prasadam. Raghunandan replied, "Prasadam? I offered everything just like you told me, and Gopinath ate everything. So what should I bring you now?" Mukunda was completely taken aback. This boy is not naughty and is always accustomed to speak the truth. I doubt if he could have eaten everything. I wonder what actually happened. Musing on this matter in this way for some time, on another day, his curiosity was so stirred that he again requested Raghunandan to offer the bhoga to Gopinath on that day. On this day, however, having gone out of the house, he again came in by another way and remained hiding in one place. Raghunandan was very happy to be able to serve Shri Gopinathji again and brought everything into the deity room. As before, he again very insistently persuaded Gopinath to take his meal. As Gopinath had eaten half of a laddu, he espied Mukunda peering out from his hiding spot. He didn't try to cover up the fact that he had eaten what he had, but neither did he eat any more. Seeing all this, Mukunda was completely immersed in ecstatic love and picked up his son and put him on his lap. He extolled his virtues in a voice trembling with ecstasy, all the while torrents of tears of joy falling from his eyes. Even today, those who are greatly fortunate can still see that half-eaten laddu in Gopinath's lotus hand. Thus, Shri Uddhav Das sings the glories of Raghunandan, who is not different from Madan. In Krishna Lila, he was Kandarpa Manjari, and in Dwarka Lila, he was Shri Krishna's son Kandarpa. Thank you. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hare Krishna.